Good morning, children. Okay, ma. In the before a video, we stopped some of that, and now the fresh topic about averages. Okay, what is meant by an average? Average is a single value representing a group of number. It gives us the idea of standard group. It gives the idea of standard group. How you can find the average? Average is used to compare the numbers. Group of average is used to compare different groups by comparing their average. So what is the formula for average? Average formula is sum of the quantities by number of quantities. Sum of quantities by number of quantities. Sum of quantities by number of quantities. By knowing the sum of the quantities by number of quantities, we can find the average of the numbers. See the first one in that exercise. Attendance of students was given on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Attendance of students in a class as follows. Monday 42 children attended, Tuesday 43, Wednesday 39, Thursday 41, Friday 45. What is the average daily attendance of the class? How we can find? Average equal to those many days. How many days? Monday 42, Tuesday 43, Wednesday 39, Thursday 41, Friday 45. 5 days temporary 5 days students attendance was given, and they are asking how much the total number of quantities is 42, 43, 39, 41, 45, and by number of quantities, how many number of quantities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quantities. So divide with 5 ma. So add these numbers. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 6, 10, 13, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 2, 10 by 5, 5 ones, 5 fours, 20, 5 2. So 42 is the average attendance. 42 is the average attendance of the class. Average attendance of the class in that week. Okay. See the next one, children. See the second one. The rainfall recorded in a city from July to December as follows. In July to December, they recorded the rainfall 3.1, 4.2, 5.8, 11.1, 4.6, 7.8. What is the average rainfall for these 6 months? What is the average rainfall for these 6 months? So first we have to find out the average rainfall. Average rainfall. What is the average rainfall? Sum of the quantities. What are those? 3.1 centimeter. 3.1 centimeter plus 4.2 centimeter plus 5.8 centimeter, 11.1 centimeter, 4.6 plus 7.8 divided by how many quantities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quantities divided by 6. Now add those 6 quantities. 3.1, 4.2, 5.8, 11.1, 4.6, 7.8. Add those 3. Okay, if you add 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 18, 26. Decimal down, decimal as usual, children. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 7, 26, 2 plus 1, 36.6. So it's nothing but 36.6 divided by 6. 6 ones, 6 6 are 36.616. 6.1 centimeter is the average rainfall. What is the average rainfall? 6.1 centimeter is the average rainfall. Average rainfall. Okay. Next one. Third one. See the third one. The weekly consumption of milk in 4 weeks by 2 families was given, family 1 and family 2, and that they are asking who consumes more and compare the quantities by finding the averages. See, what is the milk consumption of family 1 first? Third, family 1 average. Milk consumption average. What is that? 16 liter, 15 liter, 17 liter, 14 liter by 4. Okay? Add it. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 2 plus 1, 3. 4, 5, 6 by 4. Here 62 by 4. Divide it to 4 with 62. 4 ones 4. Remainder 2. Now drop down to 22. 4 5s 20. Remainder 2. So put decimal point. Now you can put 0. 24 5s 20. So it's nothing but 15.5. That means 15.5 liter is the consumption, the average consumption of family 1. Now family 2 consumption. What is the family 2 consumption of a family 2 average? What is the family 2 average, children? 15 plus 20 plus 16 plus 13 by 4. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 plus 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. 64 by 4. 4 divide 64. 4 ones 4. Remainder 2. Drop down 4. 4 6 are 24. So 16 liter. Who uses more milk? 15.5 family 1 and 16 liter is family 2. Who uses more? Family 2 consumes more milk. Family 2 consumes or consumption of milk is more. Consumption of milk is more. Okay. Next one. Fourth one, children. Here they given 2 town temperatures. Town A average. What is the town A average, children? 34, 36, 29, 38, 40, 37, 38 by how many days here they given? Up to 7 days measure was given. So divided by 7. Now add those numbers. What is that? 34, 36, 29, 38, 40, 37, 38. Add it, children. Okay. 4 plus 6, 10, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 7, 34, 34 plus 8, 40. 7, 10, 12, 15, 19, 19 plus 3, 22, 22 plus 3, 25, 252. 252 by 7. 7 ones. 7 3s 21. Remainder 4. 7 6 are 42. So 36 degrees Celsius is the town A temperature. Town A temperature. Now town B average. Town B average. What is the town B average, children? What was given town B measures? 40, 39, 40 plus 39 plus 41 plus 42 plus 42 plus 40 plus 36 by 7. What else was average? See, 40, 39, 41, 42, 42, 40, 36. Okay, add those numbers. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 4, 25, 25 plus 3, 28 to 80. 280 divided by 7, 71, 74, 70, 40 degrees Celsius. So here they are asking the comparison of two numbers. What is the comparison? Which town was cooler during the week? Which has lesser temperature, that is cooler. So town B is cooler than, town A is cooler than town B. Town A is cooler than town B. Okay? Like that we can say. In the next class we will continue. Okay? Till then, goodbye, ma.